people. So, Ayush, what was your experience of the? Oh, look at her, yeah, she's just the sweetest. इसको देखो, इसको देखो. See how cute is this? How cute. Oh, I think she's thirsty. Hello. Oh my God, Ayush, I can sit and watch this all day. Just, so this is, we are at the puppy yoga. Ayush, what was your experience of this place? Would you recommend it to people? And would you recommend adopting this little lady?
Yeah.
Huh?
If you guys want to come down here, adopt her. She's so sweet.
Yes. And Ayush, so what was your experience of the whole thing? Yes. So sweet. So sweet. So it is. See. Huh? There. Should we? Huh? Oh, it be. So look at this.
She's a doctor.
Yeah. She's like, seems like very cute. She's like affectionate. She is a very affectionate dog.
Zoe needs a companion. Zoe needs a companion.
Seriously, this is